In this video, we will see how we can create different groups in our dataset and how do we go about it. So there are groups currently 0 in this dataset. So if I press a button to add, we can add groups here, and I can have any name here that I feel like. Normally, groups may be used for splitting images into training and validation or testing purpose. So let's create a train group, and if I click plus here, I can add another one, a validation group, and I want to split them as 80-20. So if I were to create it, we create 102 images go into the train and 26 go into the validation. Uh, so if we were to, let's say I create another data set, which is, let's say, training, just as an example. And here we will not, for example, don't want to import any annotations. And we want to create again a train validation set. And we want to create a validation data set. Currently, there are no images here. And if I were to import the same way I did before, upload data set. And now I can, since I'm not interested in annotations, I would just say images folder. Which group I want to go into, let's say training group, select folder. And if I go here, images, and I choose the train folder here, and there are 128 files here. I import them. So if I were to refresh that, so images are being uploaded only in the training dataset, training group. I can always upload more images into validation. So images folder, select folder. So let's bring them the same one here also in our validation data set. So if I were to import them, uh, sorry, upload images folder from the same folder and validation. So the reason it is found no valid image is found because we have security here that images cannot be duplicated. So if there are same images in that data set, so we already imported 128 images, and if we want to import the same one again, it will give say no new images to import. But if we were to import different ones, for example, if we upload data set again, let's say images folder, and if we want to go to validation and this time not go to the same images, let's say we go to some other images, uh, and then let's say if we were to upload, these are 12 images that can be uploaded, and we do a start import. Now it imports because these are different images and can be uploaded. So 12 images go to here. So here we saw that we can distribute a data set into different groups. I can now even create another group, maybe test here, and it is created. It doesn't have any images here for now, but uh, we can add or distribute images later on in this way. There are other ways of manipulating groups also. Again, let's say we make a test data set and let's create a ground truth here. Let's create, so if we want to copy, let's say images from here, copy 128, Coco 128 images and only from the train group in the annotation set ground truth, in the annotation ground truth, and we want to go to test and ground truth. Test doesn't have any groups, so that's why it did not ask for any groups. And if we were to apply, then these images have been copied. So 102 images came from here, and all the annotations also accompanied because we wanted the annotations to. So there are different ways that we can play with the copy arrangement. So for now, that is how we can copy from different groups or into different groups. I hope this was useful. We will talk about filtered image copy in another video.